Hello students, today we will discuss chapter number 4, that is materials, metals and non-metals. So our today's topic is chemical properties of metals and non-metals. So I have drawn a table. One side I have written metals, its properties, and here non-metals and its properties are there. First property of metal is chemical property, that reaction with oxygen. Next, in non-metals we will see that how non-metals react with oxygen. Firstly, let us study about the metals reaction with oxygen. So general term I have written, general equation for the reaction with the metals with oxygen is metal reacts with oxygen to form metal oxides. These are basic in nature, that you people have to remember, that metal oxides are basic in nature. Okay, so same way non-metals react with oxygen to form non-metallic oxides. Metals react with oxygen to form metal oxides, that is basic in nature. Non-metals react with oxygen to form non-metallic oxides. These are acidic in nature. Okay, metal oxides are basic in nature and non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. These are also called acidic oxides. Okay, so some examples are there. First is sodium. Sodium is a metal now, that is reactive metal. So we have taken a metal sodium. Instead of metal we have taken sodium plus oxygen, and sodium reacts with oxygen to form sodium oxide, Na2O, that is sodium oxide. Sodium reacts with oxygen to form sodium oxide, that is basic in nature. Same way, second example is there, that is zinc, that is also metal. It reacts with oxygen to form zinc oxide. Sodium reacts with oxygen to form sodium oxide. Zinc reacts with oxygen to form zinc oxide. These two are metallic oxides, so that's why they both are basic in nature. Okay, so one more thing you have to note down, that gold is highly unreactive. Okay, only reactive metals can react with oxygen, but non-reactive metals cannot react with oxygen. So gold is highly non-reactive, unreactive, so it do not react with air, water, vapors or any of the gas that is present in the atmosphere. So that's why we people are wearing the jewelry that is made up of gold na? So that's why it do not react with any of them, that is air, water, vapor or any of the gas that is present in the atmosphere. Okay, so here examples are there. In metals we have taken metals like sodium and zinc. In non-metals we are taking the examples of non-metals, sulfur and carbon. These two are non-metals now. So sulfur react with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide, that is acidic in nature, and carbon reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, that is also acidic oxide and is acidic in nature. So we can say that now this is very easy. Okay, so metal oxides are basic in nature. These are two examples, and non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature, and these are two examples. Okay, that how oxygen reacts with sulfur and how oxygen reacts with carbon, and here reaction of oxygen with metals. So as you already studied in 7th standard, that base turns red litmus blue. Okay, so so metallic oxides will turn to blue in red litmus paper. Okay, turn the color of red litmus paper to blue. So here acid turns blue litmus red. So metallic oxides, in when you are going to check the nature of these non-metallic oxides with the help of litmus paper, the litmus paper's color will turn to red. Okay, so these are the reactions of metals and non-metals with oxygen. Okay, so second part is here metal, and this side non-metals are there. Firstly, reaction with water. Metals, that how metals react with the water. So metal plus water forms metal hydroxide, और metal oxides plus hydrogen gas release होती है इसमें. Okay, how metals react with water? Metal reacts with water to form metal hydroxide, or metal oxide plus hydrogen gas is released in this gas, in this equation. Okay, in this reaction you can see. Next example, one example I've given there, sodium that we have taken already in previous, that when its reaction we have checked with oxygen. We have taken sodium metal now because it is reactive, that's why we have taken here again sodium and zinc examples. Okay, how sodium reacts with water? Sodium reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide. I've told you already na, metal hydroxide. So this is sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas plus heat is also evolved in this process. Okay, second example is of zinc. Zinc reacts with water to form zinc oxide. I've told you na, it will form metal hydroxide. In this case sodium hydroxide is formed, and also metal oxide it can also be formed. So here in this case zinc oxide is formed plus hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay, hydrogen gas is produced in this gas. So we can say that when metals react with water, hydrogen gas is produced. Okay, and what about non-metals? Non-metals do not react with water. Okay, नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन ऑफ मेटल्स विद एसिड. एसिड के साथ कैसे रिएक्ट करती है? मेटल रिएक्ट्स विद एसिड टू फॉर्म रिस्पेक्टिव सॉल्ट. जो भी मेटल यूज कर रहे हैं उसका रिस्पेक्टिव सॉल्ट बनेगा प्लस हाइड्रोजन गैस इज ऑल्सो देयर. सो टू एग्जाम्पल्स वी आर टेकिंग अगेन जिंक एंड मैग्नीशियम. जिंक रिएक्ट्स विद सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. कोई भी एसिड के साथ रिएक्शन चेक कर सकते हो. हेयर वी हैव टेकन एन एसिड दैट इज सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. सो जिंक इज अ मेटल. मेटल लिया हमने जिंक, एसिड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, एंड विच रिस्पेक्टिव सॉल्ट विल बी फॉर्म्ड? जिंक सल्फेट. जिंक प्लस सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड फॉर्म्स जिंक सल्फेट. ओके, plus hydrogen gas is produced in this process. Second example is of magnesium metal. Magnesium metal reacts with sulfuric acid to form magnesium sulfate. Okay, here zinc sulfate was formed and here magnesium sulfate will be formed plus hydrogen gas will be produced. So you can say that when the metals react with water and acids they produce hydrogen gas. ओके, दोनों केसेस में हाइड्रोजन गैस प्रोड्यूस हो रही है, दैट्स वाई. एंड व्हाट अबाउट नॉन मेटल्स? नॉन मेटल्स दे डू नॉट रिएक्ट विद एसिड. सो दे डू नॉट रिएक्ट विद वाटर ऑल्सो, दे डू नॉट रिएक्ट विद एसिड ऑल्सो. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन विद बेस. हाउ मेटल्स रिएक्ट विद बेस? metal react with base to form respective salt plus hydrogen gas just like in the case of acids. Okay, just salt change होएगा उस केस में. So I've taken an example of aluminium. So aluminium is a metal that reacts with base. Base we have taken sodium hydroxide that you have studied in previous class also, that sodium hydroxide is a base and H2SO4 is a sulfuric acid. So here we are checking the reaction of metals with bases. So aluminium is a metal and it is reacting with a base that is sodium hydroxide plus water we have also added. Why? Because dilute solution we have taken of sodium hydroxide, because generally it is in powder form na, so simply water में dissolve कर लिया हमने, उसका solution बना लिया. Okay, so that's why what I've written here. To form, arrow represents to form sodium aluminate. ओके, सोडियम एल्यूमिनेट प्लस हाइड्रोजन गैस. सो इस केस में भी हाइड्रोजन रिलीज हो रही है. सो मेटल्स रिएक्ट्स विद वाटर, रिएक्ट्स विद एसिड, रिएक्ट्स विद बेस टू प्रोड्यूस हाइड्रोजन गैस. तीनों केसेस में हाइड्रोजन गैस प्रोड्यूस हो रही है जब भी एसिड के साथ रिएक्शन हो रही है, चाहे वो वाटर है, एसिड है और बेस है. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज reaction with bases. This is complicated and this is not there in your syllabus in each standard, so this will you will study in higher classes. Okay, I hope you understood the topic. Thank you class.